And here we have a sand swept and watered patio with our lovely discount stones, basically because they have these kind of like sort of a calc kind of marking on a few of them, which is really good, actually, really good deal, because basically it just looks like, you know, a little mark, but it doesn't really detract from the overall look of these things. So, and stones get worn and weathered anyway, so really good with that little bargain. Half price from about normal price of about 35 euros per square meter, and we got it for 17, not including delivery. But yeah, not bad, not bad. A lot of work though, but it's looking pretty clean. I'm going to get some earth put in here and try to rake those stones a little bit away from the fence. We had to come up here because it was just the dip that we put in to deal with any kind of water runoff. It was just, it wasn't comfortable. And it's got to be comfortable. Railway sleepers are in. They're of course going to like be the foundation points for our pyramid step. Well, it's only 2 steps, but one bigger one and one smaller one in front of the door that you can get up from all sides. Yeah, and at the back by the house door, you saw it, it's looking similar. It's looking good now. Sand's in, and I've just been messing around just now with the kids and creating a bit of a wet area for the water here, and trying to separate that from what's going to be a bit more of a garden space this corner will be eventually.
I should mention it's organic sourdough.
Der was angepasst ist an unsere Lagerlampe. So, aber ich muss da ausschalten und das geht. So was. Okay. Well, new recipe won't be used.
A bit flat.
Achtung. Well, old recipe looks great. Is this fertig? Here. Nice sound, nice color. Really very well.
Yeah, good.